The Qi wireless chargers are in trend and they are simply easier to handle. Well, welcome back to Techunity Studio and this is Divya. So today we are going to unbox and review this Rager Arc 500 Qi wireless charger. So let's first unbox this and then we'll look over its features and specifications. So the package contains one Qi wireless charger pad, one 3.3 feet Type-C USB cable, one 3.3 feet Type A to C USB cable, one user manual and a warranty card. This Qi certified 10 watts wireless charger is compatible with all Qi certified phones. It is light in weight, suitable for both home and offices and easy to take it with you on the go. Well, this Rager Arc 500 is a Qi certified and has overcharge, over voltage protection and keeps your devices safe from any possible damages because this wireless charger is made of fireproof ABS material. Its exclusive multifunctional intelligent protector technology provides temperature control, surge protection, short circuit prevention and more. The 0.47 inches thickness slim design plus intelligent temperature control system ensures cooler and more efficient charging. Arc 500 automatically chooses the charging mode as per the device connected. 10 watt charge mode for Samsung Note and S series QC 3.0 and 15 watt adapter is required. 7.5 watts charge mode for iPhones QC 3.0 or 15 watts adapter is required. And 5 watt standard charge mode for older Qi enabled phones and AirPods, Galaxy Buds and other wireless chargeable earbuds. Now we'll share what we exactly noticed the most. We all know that the wireless charging is a slower technology than the wired charging. However, it provides a great deal of convenience at your bedside and office desk. Its charging speed is based on the wireless input capacity of the connected devices. It takes around 2.5 hours to 3.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100% for Samsung and Apple devices when using a fast adapter. As I earlier told you that we got two USB Type-C cables for more adapter compatibility. One is a Type-C to C cable for using with 18 watts Type-C adapter for iPhone 11 Pro, Pro Max, Galaxy Note 10, Note 20 series, etc. And the other is a Type A to C cable for using on QC3 adapters or other regular adapters. We loved the exterior of it as it has rubber grips on the top and bottom to provide a better grip for the phones while charging. Rager Arc 500 can charge your phones even with a plastic or rubber case over it under 6 mm thickness. Well, Arc 500 automatically stops the charging process when any foreign object like a coin, knife, scissor, bank card, etc. are detected over it. Rager Arc 500 is sleep friendly also. Just set your phone at the center of the pad correctly. The green LED indicator will flash for 3 seconds if the power source is connected, while LED light turns on for 16 seconds if it recognizes your phone well. Upon entering the charging mode, the light turns off and keep the whole charging process sleep friendly. One more plus point is that the Rager Arc 500 offers 1 + 1 year extra replacement warranty against manufacturing defects and worry-free services via the customer care email and phone mentioned on the package. So to get extra warranty, get registered by scanning the QR code on the package and register online. So this is it for now. We avail the link of the same in the description box just in case you would love to check one one for yourself. And if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this video with the others too. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload, because in the coming days we are going to bring some more product reviews and pieces of information like this. So see you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.